Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your PrizePicks account straight to your bank account. Now, there are a couple ways you can do this, obviously. Let's get started. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go to your board here. Just go to your app. On app, it's much easier to do this. However, you can also do this on your PC. Go to your board and here you have withdraw funds. If you have some amount that you can withdraw, then it will be right here in your balance or right here as well, and you can click on it and you can then also go and withdraw funds. So just withdraw funds here and you will be able to withdraw it pretty easily. It's not that hard. Now obviously this is the withdrawal process. You can go on request withdrawal. This is on your menu here. From there, obviously many customers qualify for instant withdrawals. However, new customers will often have at least their first few withdrawals reviewed by qualified specialists for security reasons. So again, this review will take between 6 to 12 hours, most of the time towards the tower end of that range. So again, you can withdraw ACH, which is instant bank transfer, or card withdrawals. Now this will depend what you put as your withdrawal source. So also, one thing you need to know is after you meet your playthrough requirement, you can request a minimum of $10 withdrawal. Now, if you have any questions or issues with withdrawing, you can definitely go and contact support on PrizePicks. However, for more videos, you can check out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.